Good morning. I'm Governor Chris Sununu, and I'm pleased to announce the winners of the 2018 What's So Cool About Manufacturing video contest. Advanced manufacturing is an important driver of our economy. Over the past 4 years, middle school students from around the state participating in the contest have explored the many opportunities available right here in New Hampshire. This year, the students partnered with some very cool manufacturers and produced videos that were very competitive. The judges really had their work cut out for them. I hope students and their parents will spend some time watching the videos and talking about advanced manufacturing as a career path right here in the Granite State. Thank you to our contest sponsors, BAE Systems and Hitchner Manufacturing, as well as the teachers, the administrators, and the manufacturers who work together to show the cool things about manufacturing in New Hampshire. And now it's my pleasure to announce the winners of the 2018 What's So Cool About Manufacturing video contest. In fourth place, Kingswood Regional Middle School in Wolfboro and its manufacturing partner, Crystal Geyser. In third place, Winnisquam Regional Middle School in Tilton and its partner, Freudenberg. In second place, South Meadow School in Peterborough, working with Vicuña Chocolate. And the first place team, winning $1,000 for its school, and for the second year in a row, congratulations to Londonderry Middle School and its partner, Bird's Eye View Aerobotics. Thank you again to the students, the teachers, the administrators, and all those who participated in this year's video contest.